What if you could make your English sound more natural in everyday conversation? You can, and today we're going to look at 10 phrases you can use over and over, whether you're chatting with friends, ordering coffee, or meeting someone new. It's fun and easy, so let's get started. Here's our first phrase, and it's one you can use almost every day. How's it going? This is a popular and simple way to ask how someone is doing in a casual setting. For example, "Hey Sarah, how's it going?" If someone asks you this, here are some options you can try. "It's going great." "Pretty good." Or "Well, it's going." Next up, "Could you please?" This is a polite way to ask for help or to make a request. For example, in a store you might say, "Excuse me, could you please help me find the honey?" Or "Could you please close the window?" It's simple, clear, and polite, and usually answered with, "Of course," or "Sure." Our third phrase is, "I would like." This is perfect for making requests or ordering food. For instance, "I'd like a coffee, please." Or "I'd like to sit closer to the window." Courteous and to the point. Now let's switch things up a little with a small challenge. Imagine this, you're meeting someone for the first time. What's a good phrase to use? See if you can think of a couple of ideas. We'll pause briefly and give you a minute to put it in the comments. Ready? You could, of course, say, "Nice to meet you." That's always a good choice. But what else? "Pleased to meet you." "Lovely to meet you." Or, "I've heard so much about you." All right, let's go on to another useful phrase. Excuse me. Excuse me can help you get someone's attention or ask a question. For example, "Excuse me, where is the train station?" Or, "Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?" You can also use this to apologize to someone. For instance, if you bump into someone, you would just say, "Oh, excuse me." Polite and very handy. And here's one more expression to leave a good feeling with people. "Have a great day," or "a nice or lovely day." You can use this to say goodbye. "Thanks for your help. Have a great day," or "See you later. Have a nice day." If you know these phrases, let us know in the comments which of these phrases do you think you will use more of. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and maybe share it with a friend. As usual, let us know if you have any requests, and we would love it if you subscribe to stay in touch. See you next time, Keeners.